Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Loud noises during your washing machine's spin cycle usually mean unbalanced loads. When clothes bunch up on one side, the drum spins unevenly, causing vibrations and noise. Worn-out drum bearings or loose parts can also be the culprit. To reduce noise, check for heavy items all on one side or debris buildup. Keeping your load balanced ensures a quieter, smoother spin every time.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.